For more on this, the principal correspondent Disha Shah is joining us live from Mumbai. Disha, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, tell us where you are, what the atmosphere is like at the moment.
Well, it seems that the city of Mumbai has not really slept at all because of the most loved and celebrated festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. And here we are at Lal Bagh Cha Raja, which is known as not only Mumbai's but the state's famous idol. And this is the idol that you can see beautifully decorated. It is celebrating its 92nd year is what we understand. And as you can see, devotees from all across the country, they have come here in huge numbers to catch the glimpse of the famous Ganpati idol here. If I can ask my video journalist just to show you the crowd, the festive spirit, the festive mood, and people have been literally waiting for hours and hours just to capture the glimpse of Lal Bagh Cha Raja here, which is known as the Pandal's most famous, Mumbai's most famous, Maharashtra's as well. And people from all over the country, they come here, celebrate it. And like we've been also speaking to people earlier today, and they said that literally they have been waiting from 12 o'clock in the night because the queues are literally long. They are as long as 5 kilometers from the place where I am standing. And this festival is not only celebrated for 1 or 2 days, but it's a 10-day long festival. And with the same spirit, with the same vibe, with the same festive mood, we literally see this every day here in Mumbai. The streets are full, and as you can see, from children to even senior citizens, all the age groups are literally here. They have been waiting to catch the glimpse of the Lal Bagh Cha Raja. And as you can see, beautifully decorated with gold, with ornaments, with silver ornaments as well, with even money. And people donate here also in huge numbers. So this is the devotion, this is the loyalty towards the festival that they have. And literally here we are talking about a 10-day festival. If I can ask my video journalist to show you, even the security is so tightened here because of the footfall that it receives every day. More than at least 5 lakh people here come and visit this pandal on a daily basis, taking the total toll to a different level at the end of the festival. And this is the same sort of a festive mood, festive spirit that we look at, because Ganesh Utsav is celebrated in a very grand manner, from eco-friendly idols to plaster of Paris idols.
Yes.
They celebrate it at their homes, housing societies, and even pandals for that
Yes.
matter.
Disha, thanks so much for giving us that glimpse of the entire location around you. It was just days earlier that you were reporting on the alerts that were being issued because of the heavy rainfall in Mumbai, but nothing can dampen Ganesh Chaturthi festivities in the maximum city. Thanks so much, Disha, for getting us the latest. And this is when the celebrations start. Ganesh Chaturthi, wishing everyone